Hey guys, welcome back again to another amazing video. So this is a continuation of our series where if you don't know, we started a series where we were going to review like the top AI tools that has been developed in the web development space so far. So we are going to review these tools from the perspective of a layman who doesn't know how to code, who doesn't know how to design stuff, how to prototype, and how to do those technical stuff. So he may be getting prompts from ChatGPT. He may not be writing prompts from by himself. He just knows the idea. He just knows the plan and what he wants. So he described his idea to an AI tool, and AI tool give him prompt, and he gave that prompt to one of the AI tools to create his website. So we have reviewed Lovable and V0.dev and Firebase Studio so far. So in this video, we are going to review Cursor. If you don't know, Cursor is like an code editor, you can say, but with the AI power. You can say it's a VS Code, but with lots of AI power. Uh, for the AI, I think AI background, they are using Cloud 3.7 and GPT 4.5, which whatever is latest, they are using that. So we are not going to use any paid version in this you can say the series. We are just going to stick to the basic plan. So we are also using basic plan of Cursor. You can create that account for free or you can try it on. So we are just giving the same prompt to every AI tool. We have given the same prompt to Lovable, Visual Dev, and Firebase Studio. So we are going to give the same prompt to Cursor as well. So first of all, just let me set up everything. So let me open the prompt. So this is the prompt we got from ChatGPT, and we're just completely going to give it to an AI tool, and we have set it to auto, and everything is just default. We are not changing anything. We are just copy and pasting our prompt, so it can just easily create our website for us. And let me click on the send tab. So we're just basically creating a website for our cafe which is like Brew Heaven, and we want a hero section, a menu section. You can also see a testimonial section, a contact section, and an Instagram feed integration. So let's see how it's going to behave. Let me. So it's asking me to what sort of technology he wants to use. So I'm just saying him use whatever you want. I just want a website in the end. Let me do what he says. So without any issue. So I have just like skipped to this point. So the main problem was for the beginners, it was saying to install a White and React, which is not installed in my computer because I just completely refreshed my system and installed a new window. So it's not installed in my window, and for the normal person, it's not installed as well, and it will be difficult to install for a person who doesn't know about web development or programming in general. So I asked him to create a website in like simple the without any framework. So he used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is like a standard. But most of our tools are now using, you can say, the frameworks like React has been using a lot, Next.js has been using a lot. So we can see how it has done so far. So let me open the website directly from the folder. So this was a folder. Let me just save everything. Sorry. So it's not clear. I think so. It has an autosave feature. Yeah, just need to. I think so. We can just save. Okay. Okay. I think so. The images are very off, you can say. The context section is good. It's great. Book a table. Yes, no, it's just a very simple form, I think. A little bit of, I think so. It's very basic as well. But I think it has like created section for us. Okay, it's like proper redirecting to the landing page. I think so. The images are look very off. I think so. If you are going with the cursor, you need to have a little bit of information about the code, like how to handle stuff, how to change stuff, and how to uh, deal with code. If you are a beginner, like completely beginner who doesn't know what is happening in this code, I think so you cannot get that much from the cursor because cursor is going to do a lot of mistakes. And as a layman, as a person who doesn't know about this stuff, it's going to be a very big problem. Uh, Although I believe Cursor is one of the most powerful tools that has been in the web development space. I have all personally used it for my university project, and it has done great job. And I use it for C++ because it's like a VS Code, and you can write multiple codes in it if you install the compiler. And I asked Cursor to like create a game for me, and I created a game as my semester final project, and it was great, and it was a very good experience. However, it doesn't perform well in the start because you need to be very specific in terms of like you can say in terms of your giving prompts. If you are not good in giving prompts, then it's going to create a problem for you. And maybe you can use GPT for using prompts, or you can learn how to write prompts as well, because it's like a very important thing if you are dealing with AI tools. So you can say the website has been created. It's like a very basic landing page and nothing special in it, to be honest. However, if I can show you the reference website I gave every AI tool, like you can see, I intend to create a website like this, but I don't think so. Any AI tool can create a website like this so far. They can create a website like this, but you need to be very specific, and you need to be an expert who does know about stuff, who does know about web development or web design in general. So you need to know about things if you want to leverage AI tools with like complete uh, with their complete potential. If you don't know about stuff as of now, it's very like off thing. You cannot create like an amazing website that can use in the real world application. If you just want a landing page, you just want to have a presence on the web, I think so you can use like no-code tools, which are great for those sort of people who doesn't want any functionality in their website. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments and I'll try to answer your questions. Or if you have any suggestion, you can give as well. So that's it, and hope I will see you in the upcoming videos. Bye.